A lot of people's lives where moving around with a little extra help is a necessity. Walkers and rollators provide great support for those suffering from conditions like arthritis, hip and back problems, and severe respiratory issues that impact endurance. Here are some of the best rollator walkers for seniors on the market today. Number 1. Drive Medical 10257RD 1 4-wheel rollator. 4-wheel rollator by Drive Medical is one of the best products on the market when we talk about rollators. It is reliable and supportive, providing you comfort even when you move over uneven terrains. Drive Medical designed a rollator that also provides you with maximum safety thanks to the deluxe loop locks. The rollator is foldable, so you can transport it easily wherever you want. Remove the backrest and fold it into a compact size. As you probably already know how useful and practical a foldable wheelchair might be, then you will love the fact that you have a foldable rollator too. What we appreciate especially is the hand brakes feature this mobility device provides, which adds on safety. The very frame of this Drive Medical 4-wheel rollator is made of sturdy frame and comes, while the customers can choose between two colors, black and blue. The story doesn't end here, as Drive Medical designed a rollator with a convenient basket for your personal belongings, so you don't have to think about an additional travel pouch. Just store your items in there and enjoy the trip. What might interest you the most? The rollator is lightweight, 6 pounds, with a strong steel frame and has 300 pounds weight capacity. If you were looking for a lightweight folding travel walker with seat, make sure to double-check this product, all in one. The 4-wheel rollator by Drive Medical provides an incredible value. Concerning the price and the mobility features it offers, pros: has safety locks, sturdy steel frame construction, adjustable handle height. Cons: tall people may not find it comfortable. Number 2. Drive Medical RTL 10266T Nitro DLX Foldable Rollator Walker. The Drive Medical Nitro Euro style rollator offers numerous features to ensure safety, convenience, and easy portability while you travel. You can fold this rollator with one hand to an ultra-compact size that allows you to stow it and go. The stylish, removable, zippered bag holds your travel necessities and stays in place whether your rollator is open or folded. With a comfy seat and backrest, you'll enjoy this rollator when you're ready for a rest, too. Weighing in at only 17.5 pounds, the Nitro Euro rollator is constructed of durable aluminum that provides long-lasting use. The height is adjustable for comfort, and this device comes in a special tall version that accommodates users 6 feet tall and above, with ergonomically designed handles and height adjustment to fit your personal needs. The Nitro Euro offers comfort and safety. Large, 10-inch front casters with an enhanced turning radius ensure optimal maneuverability. This rollator lets you traverse uneven ground while maintaining stability and balance. Use it to explore new, off-road environments or simply for a trip to your local grocery store. Pros: lightweight, folds easily to compact size, maneuvers on uneven ground. Cons: not as lightweight as ultralight rollators. Number 3. Medline Healthcare Direct Steel Rollator Walker. Another heavy-duty walker with seat and wheels you may consider when purchasing for a mobility device. The Healthcare Direct Rollator Walker provides you with the ultimate support, stability, and safety, meant for users up to 350 pounds. This product comes with wide 6-inch wheels and a large, 12 by 12 inches seat that provides rest when you become tired. The weight of this walker is 19 pounds, which justifies the claim it is meant for heavy-duty use. Customers truly appreciate the fact it folds easily, despite its weight, and you can store it in the back seat or trunk when traveling. Another add-on for travelers is the underseat bag, providing some extra storage. They rave about how secure they feel while using their rollator walker, enjoying its comfortable rest from time to time. Also, it is sturdy, comes with a reliable braking system, and fits through all types of doors. Even though the Healthcare Direct Rollator Walker comes disassembled, it won't take you more than 15 minutes to make it functional. And once you do, you will start enjoying a new, more mobile phase thanks to your new, heavy-duty rollator walker. Pros: easy to assemble and foldable, comes with a storage bag, wide, padded, comfortable seat. Cons: may not be an ideal pick for persons 6'11" or higher. Number 4. AbleLife Space Saver Walker. Perhaps you're not in the market for a full rollator walker. If you're looking for a basic walker to use around your home while recovering from injury or surgery, or you just need a bit more stability than a cane offers, the AbleLife Space Saver Walker is a solid choice. It can fold up to 4 times smaller than a standard rollator walker, so it's easy to slip next to your chair or into the car. At just 8 pounds, this walker isn't exactly a lightweight. When it comes to performance, with 6-inch fixed front wheels and EasyGlide skis in back, It can accommodate folks up to 400 pounds on all kinds of terrain. The handles can be adjusted from 32 to 38 inches from the floor, and at 24 inches wide it can easily slip into tighter doorways and between tables or store displays. When folded, much like an umbrella stroller, this walker is a mere 5 by 7 inches in diameter, and it can stand on its own while folded. Get it in 3 fun metallic shades. If you'd like a storage bag or swivel wheels, they can easily be ordered separately. Pros: simple folding design, stands on its own when folded, accommodates up to 400 pounds. Cons: not enough stride space front to back. Number 5. Nova Traveler 3-Wheel Rollator Walker. 4-wheel rollators are not the only game in town. Give yourself the advantages of safety, balance, and stability with the Nova Traveler 3-Wheel Rollator. If you don't need the extra convenience of a seat and backrest, this maneuverable device might be just right for you. It folds up compactly in just seconds and stands upright while in its folded position, so it's easy to stow while you travel. The included tray, basket, and zippered pouch let you keep necessities close at hand. The brakes and wheels on the Nova Traveler ensure safety as you travel over uneven, outdoor terrain. Locking the brakes is easy with only a gentle push, saving your hands and wrists from extra stress. At only 16.5 pounds, this device is on the lightweight side compared to other rollators. It's a sporty-looking, grab-it-and-go mobility device for when you need extra stability and balance. Pros: folds up quickly and easily, easy to maneuver in small spaces, all-terrain, rubber wheels. For outdoor travel. Cons: does not provide a seat and backrest. Number 6. OasisSpace Aluminum Rollator Walker. One of the joys of traveling is shopping for souvenirs in new locations. The OasisSpace Aluminum Rollator is a great choice for shopping trips. The specially designed fitting mechanism for the roomy, front-mounted storage bag lets you attach and remove the bag quickly and easily, so you can detach the bag and unpack it when you get home. On top of that, the see-through mesh construction of the bag lets you keep up with your purchases at a quick glance. The OasisSpace features 10-inch front wheels that roll smoothly, even on bumpy surfaces. The compact folded size makes this device easy to stow for travel. 2. It folds down to 21.6-inch HX14, 5W X7, 8D. The seat is wider than many walker seats at 17.7 x 9.8 for extra comfort. Additionally, the backrest is thicker and softer for comfy support. At 23.95 pounds, the OasisSpace Aluminum Rollator is a bit heavier than many other rollators, but the sturdy construction and excellent features make up for the slightly greater weight. Pros: large front wheels for stability on uneven surfaces, roomy shopping bag attaches and detaches quickly and easily, wide seat and thick, soft backrest. Cons: heavier than many other rollators. Number 7. Hugo Mobility Portable Rollator Walker with Seat. The company, who is well known for its popular electric mobility scooters, also makes many more mobility devices like this 4-wheel rollator walker. What makes it one of the best walkers for seniors? We'd highlight its particularly light weight, which is just over 15 pounds, making it one of the lightest reviewed. That's important for seniors who often want to fold their walker and store it or take it in the car. It also has one of the widest levels of adaptability in terms of height, being adjustable for people from 5 feet tall to 6'2". The ergonomic hand grips make accessing the brakes natural and comfortable. No tools are required to assemble this walker, and it easily folds down to stow and go. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds, it's worth mentioning that the seat has a more narrow profile than many at just 12 inches wide. Under the padded seat you'll find a convenient storage bag, and this walker also has a padded backrest, making it comfy when it's time to take a break. The big 8-inch wheels make for added stability as well. If you're interested in exploring motorized mobility aids. Pros: tool-free assembly, the most widely adjustable for different heights, narrower profile fits through most standard doors. Cons: very narrow seat pan. Number 8. ELENKER Upright Walker, Stand-Up Folding Rollator Walker. Many seniors struggle with back problems, which are made worse by stooping over a traditional walker. This ELENKER Upright Walker solves that, allowing for a straight back stance while keeping you mobile. This walker is height extendable from 38 to 46 inches from the ground. It's easy to maneuver, thanks to the 360-degree swiveling front wheels made from PVC. Padded armrests keep your body aligned and help to eliminate painful neck and shoulder strain caused by stooping. It also has a comfortable seat with a backrest and storage back to keep necessities close at hand. Hand brakes allow you to lock out the back wheels so you won't slip when sitting down. The walker can handle weights up to 300 pounds, and will keep folks up to 5'10" tall in an erect position. While taller individuals will have a slight stoop when using it, this walker folds for simple storage and requires little assembly. You won't need any special tools to have it ready to roll in minutes. Pros: seat with backrest and a storage bag too. Padded armrests relieve on neck and shoulders. 360-degree swiveling front wheels make it easy to maneuver. Cons: hard PVC wheels magnify bumps. Number 9. Medline Premium Empower Rollator Walker with Seat. The Medline Premium Rollator is a great option for comfortable walks, but even more comfortable break thanks to the extra wide memory foam seat and a padded lumbar support. If you get tired during your route, you can also flip the backrest of the roller, lock the brakes, and enjoy the rest in an armrest chair. This heavy-duty walker with seat and wheels is fully equipped to make your experience as good as it is possible. It has an adjustable cup holder, tote bag underneath the seat for your personal stuff, reflective tape, and tray organizer for safety. The Medline Rollator works best with people from 4 feet 11 inches to 6'4", as this way you will have an optimal height of the rollator and its bars. This 17 pounds lightweight rollator provides support for customers weighing up to 300 pounds. Some of the seniors using it truly appreciate this rollator's extra wide, 8-inch wheels that add on stability, especially with the ones who like exploring nature and spending their time outside, as this rollator makes it possible to take bold rides. It is 17 pounds lightweight rollator that provides support for users up to 300 pounds. Customers love memory foam seat, as it is comfortable and provide the right support for your spine after a long walk. With the Medline 8 inches wheels, you can get around both smooth and rocky terrains, while it is just great for indoor use too. Pros: extra supportive large wheels, safe to use, as it has easy to lock brakes, lightweight and foldable. Cons: doesn't fit all doorways. Number 10. OasisSpace Aluminum Rollator Walker with Seat. This lightweight walker features a unique design that combines larger 10-inch wheels in front and 8-inch wheels in back, delivering more stability on grass, trails, and other uneven surfaces. The large front wheels take the pressure while the back ones smoothly glide you wherever you desire to go. The wheels give users agile control, and the brake arms offer ease of access. This rollator walker features an extra wide seat for added comfort while resting, and can accommodate up to 350 pounds, one of the highest weight limits of all those we've reviewed. It also has a wide padded backrest which allows for easy sitting at a computer, desk, or table. It comes equipped with a large stow bag to carry enough supplies for longer walks or days shopping, and also features a simple partial collapse if you need to fit it through tight doorways. Another bonus: really easy assembly, which you'll love. OasisSpace also makes a slightly different designed rollator walker that also gets rave reviews for its sturdy build and easy collapse. Pros: easy to use on uneven terrain, partial collapse feature to get through tight doorways, larger front wheels to increase stability. Cons: difficult to completely collapse. Number 11. Vive Mobility Rollator Walker. Vive designed one of the best mobility aids for the elderly, disabled people, or people with injuries. If you decide to purchase this rollator, you will get style, quality, and comfort in one product. It's true, the Vive folding rollator may appear bulky at first glance. However, don't get tricked by this, as this rollator walker's appearance actually reflects how well padded and comfortable it is to use. You can sit on this rollator completely carefree, as its sturdy backrest will give you the right support, while the extra wide seat gives you a comfy and comfortable feeling. In other words, not only that the Vive rollator is cozy, but it is safe to use also. Vive gives you a couple of extra features, such as a storage bag and a cane holder. You can store whatever of your personal belongings here: mobile phone, snacks, drinks, etc. A feature caregivers appreciate the most is the ergonomic design of the handles. Each of the handles is adjusted that way a caregiver holds their hands in a neutral position, which reduces fatigue and makes it more comfortable for them to take long walks. As you are a person who likes to walk and travel, Vive thought how nice it would be to design a foldable rollator so you can take it with you on your holidays, as the rollator is easy to fold thanks to the easily removable wheels. You can fit it in the tightest spaces in your car or your home. Just remove the front wheels, fold up the rear legs, and you are good to go. It won't take much space in your car, even if you pack it on the back seat. Vive's rollator takes pride in featuring one of the safest braking systems, a dual braking system. When you want to stop rolling, simply lock the braking system and take a pause. This is an awesome safety feature, so you can sit on it confidently, knowing that the rollator will stay in place. If you are changing your mind about the purchase, you should know that Vive gives their customers a lifetime guarantee on the steel frame and 5-year on the brake, which makes them a reliable partner. Pros: extra wide seat, dual braking system, unconditional lifetime guarantee. Cons: no safety extender for taller people. Number 12. Standard Easy Fold and Go Rollator. When you're traveling, you'll need to fold your walker to stow it on a plane, train, or in the trunk of your car. In restaurants or theaters, you'll want to fold your rollator, too. The Standard Easy Fold and Go Rollator is designed with this exact feature in mind. It folds up like an umbrella stroller to a compact size. 33-inch HX11 WX10D. At only 15 pounds, the standard rollator is ultra lightweight, too. The easy folding feature, compact size, and lightweight of this rollator add to an excellent choice for traveling. You can even stow it in the overhead compartment of an airplane. When you're ready for a rest, use the sturdy perch seat and padded backrest to take a break. The seat will support up to 250 pounds. A front-mounted pouch and large basket under the seat provide plenty of storage for personal items or shopping trips. Pros: folds easily. Compact size when folded. Ultra lightweight. Cons: small wheels may not be optimal on uneven ground.